In Japan, at least 48 people have now been confirmed dead in Ishikawa Prefecture. As search for survivors continues, Japan has now dropped its highest level tsunami alert and told residents of coastal areas not to return to their homes as deadly waves could still come. Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida said that the government has already dispatched a number of self-defense force troops to the impacted areas and will continue to provide assistance. The Indian Embassy in Japan has set up an emergency control room and issues emergency contact numbers and email IDs for Indian citizens following the earthquake and tsunami warnings. The Ministry of External Affairs said the Indian Embassy is in regular contact with the concerned authorities. On the first day of